Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City roof repairs? You're in the right place. Knowing how to handle roofing issues is essential for maintaining the integrity of your home. Let's dive into some common mistakes homeowners make and explore solutions that can save you time and money. The one mistake is failing to get multiple roof repair quotes in Salt Lake City. Many homeowners choose the first quote without comparison, leading to overspending. Always request at least 3 estimates to find the best price and quality. Another mistake is not planning roof repairs according to weather conditions. Salt Lake City experiences diverse weather patterns. Schedule repairs during dry seasons to avoid further damage. Lastly, some homeowners hire unqualified contractors. Always ensure your contractor is licensed and has good reviews. Choosing experienced professionals guarantees quality repairs. Roof repairs in Salt Lake City are unique because of the varied climate. Understanding local conditions helps in choosing the right materials and strategies for longevity. Did you know that the average cost for roof repair in Salt Lake City could be significantly lower with preventative measures? A quick study shows a proactive approach is more economical. Common questions arise when considering roof repairs. We have those for you. Call us now at 385-300-1135. We are ready to help with your roofing issue. Trust us to provide a fast roof repair estimate for your Salt Lake City home.